What's up guys, Trav and Jay Outdoors. So on today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how to do a Texas rig. So the Texas rig is a style of fishing that many people use. Many bass fishermen use it. It's very effective. And there's many ways to kind of put the worm on the hook, and I'm going to kind of show you that today. So the things you need for a Texas rig: you need a little worm. I typically use the 5-inch worm. That's what this one is here. I like to use like a green with a white belly configuration that really works well in the waters around here. But depending on where you're at, different colors will work. And there's many colors. Just check out your local bait store for all that. So, got your 5-inch worm. Next, you'll need a little bullet weight, an egg sinker, or if you want to use a split shot, whatever's up to you. For today's video, I'm going to use a little egg sinker. And then, of course, hook. So, I'm going to go ahead and begin. So, what you're going to do first, take your line, take your little egg sinker right there, go ahead and feed that on there. Alright, so just let it fall, let it do what it does. So, looks like it's going to roll right for me, that's fine. So, next thing you're going to do, take hook. And just like my previous videos, I'm going to use the clinch knot for this. So, I'm going to feed the line through the hole, pull it up, do about 8 twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull this around. Feed that line back through there. Pull that tight. Put a couple grain knots in there just to give it a little support, as I always like to do. Took myself a few times. That's the way to do it. Cut the excess off. Alright, so now what you got, you have that egg sinker and you got the hook on there. So the next thing you want to do is you want to hook this worm on there. So what you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that white belly's down. So what you're going to do is put the green part on first. So leave just a little bit sticking out, not much. Hook it on, slide that up there. You see where the hook kind of makes a little square right there. Pull it up, spin it around. So I got a little bit of the head of the worm sticking up right there. You're going to pinch the worm just a little bit and hook the body on right there. This is the normal style to hook it right here. To make it weedless, just kind of make sure that worm is really right there on the point of that hook and kind of cover it up. So, and then that's kind of how you do it. So, you got the egg sinker and you got the worm hooked up right there. The egg sinker kind of helps cut through the weeds to keep it from hanging up a lot. So, that's one way to do it, and that's kind of like the normal way, as I would call it, to do a Texas rig. Now, the next way that is very popular, and it's the way I like to do, is the wacky rig. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. So got my hook, got my worm, we're going to wacky rig it. So and what means the wacky rig is actually you're going to take the worm, you're going to hook it right here in the middle. And you're just going to put it on just like this. It looks weird, don't it? But let me tell you, this wacky rig style really entices the bass to grab hold of this. So, the best way to do this is when you're reeling in, you have to just pull up slowly, and it'll make each side of this kind of flap, which will really entice the bass to hit it. But, that's how you do a Texas rig. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video, guys, and until next time, keep it real.